I met Prime Minister Tsipras yesterday, and he reiterated the Greek position that they are ready to welcome the former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia as a full member of NATO under its new name as soon as the agreement is fully implemented. And that's exactly the same message that I convey to you today, that as soon as the agreement is fully implemented through the national processes in the two countries, then your country can be a full member of the alliance. But we will already in July, also in 2 weeks, we will invite your country to start accession talks. And then we hope to be able to finish them within months. And as I said, as soon as we have finished the accession talks, we sign the accession protocol, and then your country, the former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia, will be participating in all NATO meetings and sit around the table together with the other members.